Good morning, students. Hope you are happy. Good. Let us start today's study. Yesterday we solved statement questions of exercise 2.5. Today we are going to solve exercise 2.6, that is based on framing word problems. Means we are given one addition fact, means two numbers to add. By using those two numbers we will make statement, means we get statement and we solve daily, but today we will create a statement, we will create problem, that will be our answer. Let us start exercise 2.6. question number 1. Create a word problem for each of the following. First part is given 370 plus 480, means two numbers to add. We will not add and we will find our answer. We will create word problem by using these numbers. Let us start how we will do. Statement. By using these numbers, how we can make statement? Let us solve. There are 370 men and another number is 480 women in a town. Now, how many people altogether in the town? This is our word problem and this is our answer. Okay, we will create word problem. We will not find solution. We are given questions. In questions we are given two numbers. Good. Hope you understand. Two questions are given and you will create a statement. You can take anything you can take. I have taken just one example to tell you that how we create statement. There are 370 men. At place of men we can take another objects also. We can take apple, we can take mangoes, we can take any distance. So we can write anything. Okay, there is no limit to make statement. Only we are given two numbers that we will use. Clear? Let's take B part. We are given two numbers. B part, two numbers are given, 70 plus 120. So how we can make statement? By using these numbers. That is our answer. There are 70 boys and 120 girls in a class. how many total students in the class. This is our word problem using the numbers 70 and 120. We can take anything, any objects. Again I am telling, okay. In this way, we will make statement by using given numbers, and the operation is addition. For addition, we use how many total, what is the total number, and the word all together, find the sum. So, we use these words for addition symbol, and we write statement like this as I told you. You can take other numbers in place of these. As C and D part are given, you will do yourself. You will make yourself statement, create, understand? Will you create? I hope that you will create. Okay. And with that, your chapter number 2 finished. That was the last exercise 2.6, and your syllabus also finished. In last, I will tell you summary, means main point what we used in chapter number 2, that you will write in fair notebook also, and you will learn also. That are points to remember. First point, when two or more numbers are added, each number is called addend. Is called an addend. For example, we add 13 plus 17, then these two numbers, what we say, addend, which I told you in starting. Now in sum up of chapter 2, I am again revising that numbers which we add are called addend. Whether the numbers are 2 or 3 or more, all will be called addend. Second point which you will remember, the result obtained on adding two or more number is called their sum. Means to say that answer of addition is called sum. Third point to remember, two or more numbers can be added in any order. Two or more numbers can be added in any order. We can change order of addition. Suppose 3 plus 7 plus 9, that will be 19. Okay, if we change 9 plus 7 plus 3, we are changing the place of the digit, place of the number. First on third number and third number number will come on first. Then no change in answer means in any order if we add the numbers there will be no effect on answer. Clear? We can take any of the digit first to add. And fourth point, that is the last, adding 0 to a number gives the same number or gives the number itself. That points you will remember that we used in chapter number 2. This was summary of the chapter. These are 4 points. You will remember all these points. You will solve exercise 2.6. I will send you PDF file also, and do neatly your work and maintain your notebook, as in internal assessment 5 marks will be given for your notebooks. So chapter 1 and 2 we have finished. We will start our revision from next video, and if somebody missed something then see revision videos. There you will find solution of every question. Clear? So that is for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.